Look at this. We've got Yoshi here with a puppy from Humane Society of Utah.
Yes.
Puppy.
Yeah, it is a big puppy.
Yes. You know, this is Timothy. He is a shelter transfer from Texas. So we always want to find our puppies some Utah love. And here's what's crazy. We got a huge shipment of puppies that just came in over the weekend. So if you're looking for a puppy, then definitely head on down to Utah Humane Society. With Timothy here, we don't even know exactly how old he is. We're placing him at about 3 months old. He is a pit bull mix, is what they've determined. The vet at the Humane Society has determined his breed is. But I mean, he's absolutely adorable.
He's got cool looking eyes.
He
green.
has the coolest looking eyes. Let's see if I can turn him more into the camera. And, yeah, and as you can see, he's super calm.
Yeah.
For a puppy, just super chill.
Still right now.
Yeah.
Put him on the ground with a tennis ball and another puppy.
Right, that's right. I gave him a little NyQuil right before we came on.
Good idea.
No, I'm
Makes
totally
it more
kidding.
manageable.
Yes.
So what else do we know about him, or is it just limited?
You know, unfortunately, it's super limited. We don't know a ton about him. We have to imagine he's not potty trained, and at 3 months old, he just doesn't have a lot of history. You know, we have gone through the vaccination, neuter, and microchip process already, so, you know, his price is only $325, but it comes with all of that.
Yeah.
And you get to start fresh with a brand new family member and start the history with him.
He is so dang cute.
Yes.
Yeah.
Really
Okay.
is.
So if you want to look at Timothy or the other puppies, give him a call, 801-261-2919.
Right now we